Good evening to all.
Good evening,
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Good evening. So,
Good evening, ma'am.
good evening. It's great pleasure meeting you all again. So, good evening, one and all. So, we are assembled here for the 10-day certificate course or workshop on basic digital skills organized by Kavi College of Education, Atman Foundation, and Seva Academy. So, actually, the class starts only today. And the previous class will be considered as orientation class, and the certificate will be issued next week. So today let us begin our basic digital skills class now. Okay. So today we are going to see some of the basic things in Word document, how to create in Word document. Okay. Okay. Thank you. So I think every one of you will be having a Word document in your system. So let us move on to create a blank document. So when you have a folder, when you have any kind of folder in your drive, you can go directly and see. I'll share the screen. So when you have any folder, you can go to folder and just right click, and you can go for new, and there will be options like new what you want, which is whether it is a Word document or PPT or Excel. Mostly we will be using only this kind of files. So it will be asking you the document, which document you want to create. So today we are going to do Word document. I'm clicking Microsoft Word document. So it will be asking you the name immediately. So you can give your name, creating document. Okay. So let me open this. So there is a blank document. It is a easy way to create blank document. Otherwise, you have to go and search where to create a blank document. If you have folder, you just go to the folder, right click it, and you can see the options. And you can, once again, let me repeat. If you have any folder on any of your desk, like programs, something like that, let me open this. And it right click and you go to new. Right click, go to new. If you want, you can create a folder or Word document or PPT or Excel. These are the three documents mostly people are using. So create Word document. So it is, see it is selected now, so that you can give the name for that file, any name of your choice. And you can create very easily, and you can open and work. This is one of the way of creating easily documents. Otherwise, you can go for the Windows and you can go and find. So now Word document is open, creating document. So we will be creating a document here. Let me take some content from. So first step, what we are going to see in this Word document is that. So I think my screen is shared. So see the screen opening the program, launch Microsoft Word, select blank document or use the template. So I have selected a blank document. I have created a blank document. And next step is about creating typing and formatting test. First one is typing content. Second one is changing font. Next is bold, italic, underline. Next one is text alignment. Next one is line spacing and paragraph set. Okay, so now we are going to see this part, typing and formatting test. Typing and formatting test. So we are going to type a content, change the font style, size, color, and we are going to do bold, italics, and underline, and text alignment, line spacing, and paragraph set. So now we are going to see this. So first, see another one thing. Can you see on the left hand side there is a separate column and it is named as clipboard. Give yes on your chat box. Can you see this clipboard?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please give it in the chat box. Can you see this clipboard on the left side of the for me it is left. Yes, yes. No, who is that? See, you can see clipboard. A column named clipboard. You can see paste all, clear all, click an item to paste. Can you see or not? Please check it. Raki. Raki, please check. Raki, it's okay. Can you see that clipboard? Yes or no? Raki? Oh, yes. Okay, very good. See now, what is the purpose of this clipboard? Anyone of you? What is the purpose of this clipboard? Anyone of you, please?
Madam, it shows recently copied files, ma'am.
Copied content, not files.
Content.
Content. Okay.
Recent, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So how we can use this content is that while if you need a word repeatedly, you can have it on this clipboard. Okay, you can have it this on the clipboard so that you can select it. Okay, let me tell you. I'll open any documents. Wait a minute, please. I'll take any document. So, okay, here you can see a file I have opened. I'm sorry, I got this file only about the author. It is about me only, okay? It is about me. So you can see here first paragraph and second paragraph contains starting word contains Dr. K. Saileela, Dr. K. Saileela. Let me clear all the, it was copied here, earlier. Let me clear all the clipboard. So now I am selecting this Dr. K. Saileela. So it will be available in the clip. So whenever I need my name, I can just go and select this. So it comes here. So here she has presented. I can give my name. You can go and select like this. Dr. K. Saileela has presented over. And again here one she is there. So just I am telling you how you can use clipboard. Clipboard is used to have content so that you can use it whenever you need. Whenever you need. Unless you clear it, it won't will be there in the clip. Okay, so in this way you can use this clipboard. Any word that you are going to use repeatedly can be kept in the clip. And there is a limit for having the words in the clipboard. Only I think 10 contents will be available. And after you are copying it, it will be removed automatically. The last one will be going always. Okay. So Mustafa, what you want to repeat? You want me to repeat? Give it in the chat box, Mustafa. Want me
Yes,
to repeat?
yes, ma'am. How to paste in the clipboard?
Okay.
Select another word, then you add it in the
Understand.
clipboard.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. We can go for another file. Okay. I have more file, but I should not create a problem for any of the paper presenter. Many papers are here. My paper. Get the folder. So you can let me take peace education. Global threat. I think it is. Okay. This is a small file. Wait a minute, please. I'll go for another. So let me take my chapter. Open. This is my chapter on digital era. See, now I am copying this word digital era. Okay. Let me clear my clipboard. If you need not want that word, you can immediately clear it. You need not have it in the clipboard. I am copying this digital era. So digital era, wherever you need, you can go and paste it. This paper examines these multifaceted challenges and opportunities. Let me paste here on digital era. So you can use it wherever you need this word. Higher education in the, just simply I'm copying it. You can use this word like this, digital era. Okay, you can have many words. Many words. Whatever words you are going to repeat, it can be placed in the clipboard. Okay. Thus, here on digital era is there. Let me remove it. Actually, I want to type here this digital era. So let me click this. It will be appearing. If you click, it will be available in the Word document, provided your cursor should be in the correct place. You should keep your cursor on the, see here in the, you have a heading opportunities in the digital era. Let me remove it. So here digital era should be placed. Okay. So what I'm doing, I'm keeping the cursor near the where I want to paste it. I'm keeping the cursor where I want to paste. So let me click this so that you get opportunities in the digital era.
Ma'am,
after
select.
Yes. One by one, please.
Ma'am, after selecting the word, how do you add it in the clipboard?
If you just copy it, it will be available in the clipboard.
Okay.
Before that, wait a minute. Let me close the clipboard. Let me close the clipboard. So it will be available in the file. Where it is available in the home. Home. See, it is available in the home. Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So you click this clipboard.
Okay.
You click this clipboard. Got it?
Yeah, I got it, ma'am.
I'm hearing another one voice. Who is that? I don't know. Okay. So close it. I'm again repeating. If you want to have clipboard in your file, go to home. See, you can see clipboard. There is an arrow mark here. Click it so that it will be available. Okay. So you can have the words repeated. Yes. Yes. So it will be available. So wherever you want to type this word again and again, you can use this clipboard, and you must place the cursor where you want to have that word. So here, see where is the digital era, where it is coming. So let me tell, here I want digital era. So I'm keeping, see, I'm keeping the cursor here. I'm going and clicking on digital era. It will be available there. Any word. Okay. So if it is not needed, you can give clear. You can go for undo. I think everyone of you know this undo option and redo option. So it is available in the left corner. Undo. So I have done undo. If you want again, you can go and do it. Redo. This one is redo and that one is undo. First one is undo and the second one is redo. So I'll give undo and I'll saving the file. So you can see TV like symbol here. You can click on it. It will be saved. For saving often, just click on the symbol and that is a TV shape and you can save it. Just I'm clicking this. It will be saved. So until this, it's okay. Now I'm just telling about the clipboard alone. Clipboard, creating clipboard and using clipboards. So once again, I'm repeating, clipboard will be only 10 items will be available. I think approximately 10 items only will be available. For example, after that it will be removed. Let me tell you. So first word here in the clipboard is digital era. So I'm just copying the another word. You just check it now. Second word is higher education. So whenever you give copy, it will be available on the clipboard. If you need not have this word, you can just go and give clear immediately. Delete. So there is an option delete. If you are not going to use this word, I can give it delete and I can remove from the clipboard. So I'm just copying use to check how many words maximum we can, how many content maximum we can have it in the clipboard. So first I have copied digital era. Let us check when it will be removed, okay, from the clipboard. Digital technologies. Randomly I'm selecting some words. No purpose in selecting words now. Just I'm checking how many words clipboard can have maximum. After some time, digital era will be moving to dustbin. Okay, it will be deleted. One by one, it will be deleted. So this is the purpose of using clipboard. Randomly, I'm copying the words. No any purpose in copying. Just to check how many words maximum we can have in the clipboard. So soon we'll be seeing that digital era will be removed from the list. Cyber security. Going. So maximum about 10 it's going. Is there still right? So see digital era has been vanished. Now digital era in the clipboard. So maximum check how many contents it is available. It is about 59. Digital era is still it is available. Wait a minute. Still available. Now it has been managed. It is not available in the digital transformation is the first word in the clipboard. So maximum you can have only 15 or 20 items, I think. You just check it. You can have it in the clipboard and it will be slowly vanishing each time you copy. So immediately if you need not have this word for your in the clipboard, you can delete it so that you can have only the important ones alone. So you can delete it. For pasting, just give a click on the cursor and you can select this and you can paste. So for pasting, just keep your cursor and select this. It will be pasted. That's all. So you can go for undo and save the file. So this is what how we are using clipboard. So next, let us go for next items. So I'm copying this content, typing the content. I'm going to create a document. So see, it is a blank document. I have copied my abstract. It is available in the clipboard. I'm going and clicking on this item so that it will be appearing. Now I need not want these items in the clipboard. I'm giving clear all. Okay. Now redo undo. What is the purpose of redo and undo? So something. So digital era. See, if you see this digital era is been repeated. I'm typing unknowingly digital era again, or pasting a word unknowingly. Wait a minute. Education system. So somewhere unknowingly a word comes here. I have typed education system. I need not word. I need not want this word now. Education system. Just I pasted now. I'll go and do it undo. So it will be removed. Any content that is done recently, if you want to remove it, you can go for undo. Any item that is done recently, and if you need not want that item to be in that, you can go for undo. If you need it again, you can view redo. Digital era in the education system. You want again, you view redo. If you want to remove, go undo. So this is the paragraph here. Now, so what is the first step we are going to see? We have typed the content, okay? Next one is changing font. Changing font. In the font, we can see style, size, and color. So can you tell me what is the creating doc? What is the name of this font? Can anyone tell what is the name of this font? Give it in the chat box. Give it in the chat box. What is the name of this font? Very good. Mustafa, you are correct. Mustafa is correct. Josephine is correct. Achil is correct. Subha Ponselvi is correct. So it is available. See, it is available. Let me click it. You can see in the font style, it is Calibri. It is not Times New Roman. It is available. You can check it. It is available. See. Now I am going to change it to Times New Roman. I am going to change it to Times New Roman. So Control A. Give Control A. What is the purpose of Control A? It will select all the content. Control A is meant for selecting all the content. So I want to convert all the content into Times New Roman. Okay, I want to change this Calibri font style to Times New Roman. So I'm selecting the entire content by giving Control A and I'm clicking this down arrow and you can see Times New Roman is available. I'm clicking on it. So now you can see that the font style is Times New Roman. Yes or no? Now it has been changed to Times New Roman. Yes? Give it in the chat box. Come on, quick. Can you see Times New Roman is has been this document has been converted to Times New Roman? Yes. So it is available. Yes, okay. Okay, now next step. What is that? So what is the size of the content? What is the size of the content? Kindly check and give it in the chat box. Yes, 11. Very good. So many of you know this. It is 11. Okay, now let me convert it into mostly the recommended size of our documents. Mostly all will be preferring only 12. All will be preferring for submitting projects, assignments, etc. The standard size of using a document or submitting a document is 12 size. So size of the font is 12 and the style is Times New Roman. Okay. So what else is there? Color of the content. So it is now black in color. The content is in black in color. Can you see this mm, items in this menu bar? So here font color is available. Can you see font color? There is a symbol A and below that font color is available. Can you see? Can you see font color? Yes means please give yes. Yes. Let me check. Let me show again. The font color is available in the menu bar. So let me change the color. Let me click the down arrow. Whatever color you prefer, you can give. Okay, mostly we will be giving black color only for our dog. So let me show you just how to change the color. Green color will not be so attractive. Let me give red color so that you will easily find the difference. So the document has been changed to red color. What I have done in the home, the menu bar, you can see that there is a symbol A. Under that, there is font colors. If you click the down arrow, you can see many colors are available. So there are more colors also. You can go and adjust your colors here. You need not select the ready-made colors. You can adjust your color and you can have it. Okay, you can increase or decrease the density of the color here and you can have your own color. Okay, so mostly I'll go undo now. I don't want my content. Josephine, you asked me what is the purpose of undo. So I don't want my content to be in red color. So I'm giving undo. So it is again black in color. I'm saving the file. So you can see that TV like symbol and you can click it. It will be saved. Otherwise, you can give Control S for saving often. Control S. You need not go and give an each time Control S. You just click that TV symbol and you can save it. Okay. Okay. So now what we have done, we have typed the content. We have typed the content and we have changed the style of the content from it was already in Calibri. Now we selected it to Times New Roman. The size of the font was 11 in size and we changed the size to 12. So for heading, you can have 14. So let me click the abstract and I'll go for the home and let me click the numbers available near the style. So I can give 14 here. Okay. So the heading, for heading, the font size is 14. Okay. And for heading, I can give any other color. So it will be nice while giving for heading. So let me give maroon. Maroon will be nice. Okay. So you can give, and again I'm clicking this and saving. Okay. So we have changed the color of the font. We have changed the size of the font and style of the font. 3 items we have learned. Okay. Now next, what is the next item we are going to learn? Let me check with the content. Now next one is bold, italic and underline. So bold, italic, underline. How to make bold items, italic and underline. So if you want to give abstract this word, you want to underline this word abstract, what you can do, go to home. You can see here, many of you may have been known. Let me tell again, there is the menu bar, there is B, italics, underline. So U, there will be a word, letter U, and there will be a underline for it. So shortcut is Control U. Control U. Shortcut is Control U. You can have underline. Otherwise, you can click this. Shortcut is Control U. Otherwise, undo. Click this and you can get it. Underline. So already I have bolded this. Otherwise, I will unbold and again tell you how to bold. So it is not bolded now. It is just normal word. I want to make it bold. So heading should be made bold, is it not? So I'm giving bold. It becomes. Sometimes our name can be in italics so that it will be very nice. So let me give the name. My name. Sorry. Enough, I think. Okay, I'm not giving other details just for teaching purpose. So this topic of this abstract is digital era again. Digital era. This is an abstract. Let me consider as this content is about digital era. So now I don't want to underline this word. So I'll go and again click this underline word so that it will be removed. Okay. I'm giving a central alignment. It's in the center. And I'm giving this, my name is also central alignment. Okay. Now, whenever we are preparing a document, mostly some of them will accept our name with italics, some documents. So what I am doing, I'll be giving my name in italics. So already my name is underlined. I don't want to underline. So again, I'm clicking on this underline U so that it will be removed. If you want, you can click. If you don't want, you can again click on it. It will be removed. Okay. So so we have seen how to make bold, how to make italics. So I have given my name and designation in italics, abstract in bold, and the content. And each time while you are preparing a document, your document should not start from the here. Let's just give one tab here. Give one tab. Copy content. Otherwise, you can use this indent and you can move it. Actually, if you give tab itself, it will be moving. So you can use this indent for shifting your content to right side. So previously it was in the end of this margin. So we should not have like this. For the first line, you have to give tab here. I don't know why this document. See it as well. Your documents should start like not from the end of the margin. So give tab. Now it's working. Give one tab. It is in. One tab means there is a in the keyboard you can see tab. So give one tab. One click on tab so that the content will move to the first line alone. Is that okay? Otherwise, you must be using this indent. Okay, then save it. So this way you have to prepare your content and what we are going to learn next. So we have seen bold, italics, and underline. Okay. Yes. If you want to underline.
எப்படி விடுகணும் ரைட்டா தான் இப்ப விடுகுது எந்த பக்கம் வந்துச்சு
Okay, if you want to underline select the word you want to underline. Go to home, select this U, underline and give it. If you don't want, again click on it, it will be removed. That's all. If you want, you give. If you don't want, again select that and remove it. That's all. If you have a content that is already underlined, you can go select it and remove the underline and give save. I've saved this slide. Okay. Okay, next what we are going to learn. So what we are seeing today is opening the program, launching Microsoft Word. We are selecting a blank document, and then we have seen about typing content, changing font, style, size, color. Now we have seen bold, italics, and underline. Next step is text alignment. Text alignment, left, center, right, justify. So we have four options: left, center, right, and justify. So let me go for this creating document. So 1 minute I'll have a break. 1 second I'll have a break. I want to recharge my internet. 1 minute. Please. So okay. Okay. Are you there, all of you? Yes. Now we are going to see alignment part. See here in the menu bar, you can see. So click home. Click home. Can you see this alignment section in the menu bar? Can you see that? Under view, you can see. Under view, you can see alignment section. This is alignment section. Under view. Yes, all of you, can you see in the home, and Under view, we have this alignment section. Yes. Yes. So here what we are going to do. So you can see this document is not justified. Justified in the sense the last line are not even. They are in the zigzag pattern. They are in the zigzag pattern. See, it is not beautiful. Let me show that any content that is justified. Okay, any author that is been justified. Any content. Any. Let me check 1 minute, please. I'll show you the, see here, this content. This content is actually justified one. No. This is not justified. I'll be showing you one content that is justified. See this content, how it is perfect. See this content, how it is perfect. It is justified. You cannot see any zigzag in the first line and second line. First line will be in the right and second line will be just moved this side. So this is justified document. All the lines are very beautifully arranged. So this is meant by justified. The file what I am showing you now is not justified. Which one is that? So this document, you can see this is not aligned, justified. Each line is in zigzag pattern. It is not even and it doesn't look good. See, this document is not good. Can you see or not? Can you see this document is not aligned properly? So we have to submit the paper only after it is justified. So how to do this justification? So let me select this content. You can see here this content this content is also not justified. I'm selecting it. I'm going to the home. You can see many styles in the alignment. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one, it shows that the lines are equal. You can see it. It tells justified. You click on it. Now it is justified. That's all. Selecting the content and just going to home and giving this justify. You can see in the symbol itself, all the lines are equal in the left and right. Is equally available. So clicking on this, you can have justify. Okay, it is now beautifully justified. So all your document while you are submitting, it should be justified and then only it should be submitted. You should not submit in this way. It is not good. Okay, so give justified and submit. Just selecting the content and giving this justified. For some documents, we may have left alignment. So first one is left alignment. So click on this. It goes for left alignment. Some documents need to be submitted with left alignment. Some documents need like that. In that case, you go for left alignment. In some cases, you want this document in the center. In that case, you must select this. See, for example, excuse me, please, 1 minute. See where we can do central alignment. See here. Here my name is there. Assistant Professor, Government College of Education. Okay. While you are submitting, you can give like you will be typing this content each time while you are submitting a paper or project. So sometimes your content may be in the left hand side. It may be unknowingly left aligned or right aligned. This is right aligned. So you want your document to be centrally aligned, you should give like this. For this kind of documents, you must give your name, title, everything in the central alignment. Mostly all will be asking only this. So here we will be using central alignment. In some cases, you have two authors in your paper. What you will do? You will have one author as left aligned and second author can be, but you cannot do at a time left and right alignment. Only one can be done. In other case, you have to just move on your cursor and only you can do it. Only with the help of cursor. Otherwise, there is a second author. You want to give second author in two sections. You can go insert, go to table. Here we have this one is 1 to 1. This one is 1 to 2. You can see it will be 1 to 2. Again, it will be separate in 1 to 3. You select whichever you select. You want 1 to 4. You can select 1 to 4, 1 to 5, 1 to 6. Authors, and you want one author in the left corner and the other author in the right corner, you can go to the table, give 1, 2 is to 1. So it will be available. Here you can give the first author. And here any other author, any other your guide or student, something like I am giving my daughter name. Okay. So you can give two authors like this, but you must remove it. The table should not be available like this. So how to remove this table? Must hide this table. So click on this, go to home, click on table. See, this is symbol for table. Click the down arrow. In down arrow, you go for no border. So no border will be available. But you see, you can see that this is not properly aligned. So it is aligned centrally. So I need not want this to be central alignment. So let me select whether I am
Repeat table alone, ma'am.
okay. So you are submitting a document of two authors. You can first type your name in this way and have it in the left side. You can use your cursor and you can type it in the right corner. This is one method. This is one method. Again, keep cursor on the second line and move it. So it will be a very tough task. Take more time for you to do this work. Alignment problem will be there. Okay. So there will be a problem here. You must do proper alignment each time. You can do this way. You can do this way. Otherwise, there is another one option. Create table. Go to home. Go to home. You can check a symbol of four partitioned box. Four partitioned box. You can see. Can you see here? Can you see here?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Click on it. Click the down arrow. Okay. So you are creating a table now. Sorry. I'm going for insert. Sorry. That is for removing no border. Okay. So go to home, insert. Okay. Home, insert, table. Here, this is 1:1. Only one row and one column. 1:1, one row, one column. You can see one row, one column. Only one box is there. One box is there. That is 1:1. See here, 2:1. You can see here in the document, there are two columns. Okay. Two columns and one row. Two columns, one row. Next one, 3:1. Three columns, one row. 4:1, four columns, one row. If you are creating table for any other purpose, here see 1:2. Okay, 1:2. Next one is 2:2. Two rows and two columns. The next one is three columns and two rows. Okay, three columns, two rows. So in this way, whatever you want, you can select it and you can insert. Now I am going for two other columns. So I have done this. Here I can paste this. I have on the clipboard my designation. I'll go and paste it. Here I am copying each word from the clipboard, from the document. I'll be having it on the clipboard. So I'll be first copying everything. Okay. And then I'll be pasting it. I'll be clicking, I'll keep cursor on the wherever I want to paste it, I'll keep the cursor there and just I'll click it, give enter, and again paste. So if there is any mistake, you can remove it like this. That's all. So it is not aligned properly. So you can have this second column in the right alignment. It will go. This one already it is in the left aligned part. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to remove the table now. Click on the table. Go to home. Click on the table. Go to home. You can see four partitioned box there under Acrobat or something. It depends upon your version of computer. You can see four partitioned box. Give down arrow. Give no border. That's all. Border will be removed. You can have like this. So in any way you can give your names. If it is a two-author submission, you can give this way and you can remove it. In this way, you can do this. I have told you about central alignment. If it is a single author paper or if you want central alignment, so this is enough. You can give this is centrally aligned. This one is example left aligned and this one is example for right aligned. Sometimes we have to submit the documents in some lines can be submitted in left aligned. So let me show 4 lines so that you can understand. The first paragraph can be left aligned like this. And sometimes documents can be right aligned. You can see here it is available. You can right align or you can have it justified. Justified from the left, right, every side, the lines will be very evenly and it will be good looking also. You can give justified. Sometimes central alignment. So we use 4 types of alignments in our document. From WhatsApp to Word clip. Not possible. While you're using WhatsApp, yes, let me connect to my WhatsApp. Check that. Otherwise, tomorrow we can have a check, or you can do in your home. In WhatsApp, you must open your Word document. Just an idea I have not used. You can open your Word document, and the same time you can open your WhatsApp document. If you copy that, it will be coming in the clipboard only. Clipboard itself, I think. For this, I have to actually connect to WhatsApp. One minute, I'll send a link. One of the participants is asking that. Same link only we have told you, but there are some confusions. 1 minute, I'll give the link and come.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, can we move the table from one place to another place? Because first you, without table, you enter no, ma'am.
Ah,
Then you create a table and copy it. So can we move that table to from one place to another place? If it is moved, now table alone will move, or along with that letter it will be moved, ma'am.
it will go along with the content only. See, let me move this table to the near below the abstract. So it is available below the abstract. You can move the table anywhere. Oh, it's working. Sorry, again I have confusion in your using your name. Actually, I don't know. I'm correct. It's working. Yes. So it is very easy that you can copy from the WhatsApp. Yeah, copy any content from the WhatsApp, and if your clipboard is on, only if your clipboard is on in the Word document, it will be copied in the clipboard. So again, one of the participants was asking about moving the table. So you can move your table anywhere. You can move your table anywhere. So you can bring your table to below this content also. So see here, there will be a, you can see what to tell. You can see one, what is that? Arrow mark like thing. You must drag that. I don't know what is the name of it. Can you see here?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You should use that to drag it. That symbol. Otherwise, you can't. Otherwise, it will not be working properly. You must see that, and you can take your table anywhere. But there will be very difficult in creating tables and documents. While creating documents, there will be big issue. While doing PhD work, this tables will be a problem for us. I think I have experienced it. Okay, let us see any solution is available. So I'm doing undo. Josephine Rita, I don't want this to be available in the any of the other place of this document. So I'm giving undo. So I have given undo again here one undo. All the recent copied item will be moving. So everything has been removed. Okay. Okay. What will be the next? Any other doubts here?
Ma'am?
Any other
Ma'am.
doubts here? Yes.
Then how
Yes.
to extend the table, ma'am? For example, 2 row, 3 columns are already we created. But we want more 1 row or another 1 more column. How to extend it, ma'am, while we are doing type?
Yes. So this is one we have created. Copy. I'm pasting it. So it is available now. So go and right click here near the table. Right click. Right click. You will have insert. You want columns or columns to the left? You can see insert columns to the right, columns to the right, sorry, left, right, insert rows above, insert rows below, etc. So let me give columns to the left. So you can see here, or let me give columns to the right. It is there. So let me give here, okay, so that you will find that here.
Ma'am, what's the version of your computer, ma'am? That lap or computer? What's the version?
Let me check 1 minute, please.
Okay, because these options are not in my lap. That's what I'm asking.
I forgot. I must go and check. Where can I check? Anyone help me? Where can I check my configuration? Configuration of So let me ask ChatGPT, okay? Let me ask ChatGPT. Where can I find my version? Some about Windows.
Ma'am, version we have, Windows version will be there 10, 11. Now 11 version is going on. So based on that, we get all these features, ma'am.
Okay. Let me check
Yeah.
one.
When you are installing, what version you have put, Windows 10 or 11? It is showing here, example, Windows 10 or Windows 11 Pro. So which is yours, 10 or 11?
I think it is 10. I think it is 10. I remember it is 10 only.
Because 11 version is going on. If anyone goes to the shopkeeper, no, they are putting 11.
Ah, mine is 10. It was long back I have done it. It will be 10 only. Okay. I think it is 10. The system, we must go for about. So, okay, I don't want to waste my time. Let me tell you tomorrow. I believe it is 10 only. Okay. I
Okay,
believe
ma'am.
it
Okay,
is
ma'am.
10.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, I remember it is 10 only. Okay, now what we are seeing, okay, creating tables. So just go and keep your cursor on the end of the table. Whether it is left or whether it is right, go and keep. Mostly we'll be using the right corner. Click on it, right click it. You can see insert columns to the left, insert columns to the right, insert rows above, insert rows below, etc. So now if you need not want to insert columns or rows, etc., just you want to have another one uh, row like this, just give enter. You need not want to add rows or columns to the left or right or above or below. You want only the same row to be repeated, just give enter. See, again I will be clicking on the right end of the table and I'll be giving enter. So that the same will be, you can add how many items you want to add, you can. Is that okay now? Creating tables, do you have any doubt? Or use tab key on? Okay, I have not used, just I'll be doing like this only. Let me check. Use tab. Yes, Meghalata. It's working. So click, keep your cursor on the right side. You can give tab so that another one row will be created. Yes, very good, very nice. I learned from you now. Thank you so much, Meghalata. So this is about sharing the knowledge only. Okay. Either you must share and I must share. Okay, okay. Thank you. And any other doubts in the table? Yes. Any other doubts? Let us go for our content. What we are going to see next. Text alignment is over. Line spacing and paragraph settings. So let us go for line spacing. So let me ask you, yes, what are the messages available? Only rows. Okay, okay. But tab will only give rows. How to put the typed matter in the table? Can you give what kind of matter you want to add? What kind of matter we can add in that table? Like student's name and marks. Just to go and click it uh, on the column. You can on the row. You can do it. So let me give the marks like any student's name. Just go and keep the cursor and you can do it. So Kumar has scored 75 marks. I'll give 75 marks in the second column. Okay. You keep your cursor and just select. Go to the second column and keep your cursor and give 16. Just that. Or you can copy paste also, you can do it. No, already typed one. So already typed one, just copying it and pasting only. You can do it. Just I'm copying it. I want to keep it in. I think you are asking this only. I can go keep the cursor there. I have copied. It is available. Otherwise, you just I use clipboards for this. You can just copy. If it is an immediate one, you can copy and paste here. Just copy and control V. I have copied and I have pasted it. And another one, anything. Just I'm copying it. I'm going to the table. Now I want in the second column. I'm keeping the cursor in the second column. Control V. Sorry. Control V is available. Is that okay? Just copying and keeping the cursor in which column you want. You can do it. Any other doubt? There are more to complete. Still we are in the third part. Is that okay? Actually, it is okay. Is that okay? Let me continue. Not okay. What is you give a content, I will do it. Wait a minute. See, you give a table of your choice, I will do it. Any table, what table you want to create? Come on, quick. Give that idea, I will do it soon. How to put table on the abstract. How to put table on the abstract. Okay. So it is nothing. You just go for one by one row column, one by one table. Insert table. Go for one is to one table, one row, one column. Copy this abstract. You paste it. Keep your cursor in the box. Paste it. So it is available now in the table. One is to one table. Go for home. Insert table. One is to one. One row, one column. Click it. It will be available. You paste it here. That's all. Got it? Yes, recording will be shared to you. Okay. Actually, it's okay, I think. Okay, next. Next, what is our item? Line spacing and paragraph spacing. Just select this document. Now I'm going to undo. I don't want this sentence. I'm going to undo. I'll remove this table also. Delete it. Delete table. Okay, now mostly, can you tell me what is the what is that? What is the recommended line spacing for any document submission? Come on, quick. It's time for us to complete the session. What is the race? Very good, Babu Rangaraj. It is 1.5. Mostly, all the documents will be expected to submit only with line spacing 1.5. So what to do? Select this document, go to home. You can see here one arrow mark will be going up and one arrow mark will be going down in the menu bar. See, this is line spacing and paragraph spacing. Can all of you see this? Please check it. Can you see this line and paragraph spacing? It is available in the alignment, near alignment section, the menu bar. Yes, again I will show you. In the home, select home. It is near the alignment part. You can see one arrow is upward and one arrow is downward. Click this. In this, you can see whether you want it as 1.1.0 spacing, 1.15, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3. See, check again, once again, participants kindly check. I'll select this document. I'll go for home. I will go for home. I'll click this up arrow and down arrow symbol that is meant for line and paragraph spacing. I will click this. So you can see if I give three spacing, it is like this. If I'm giving 2.5, it is like this. If it is 2, it is like this. If it is 1.5, it is like. So mostly recommended spacing is 1.5. So I'll give first I'll give left alignment and I'll make it justify. So the paragraph is now justified and it is in 1.5 space. Okay. So next one is paragraph spacing. Is that clear now? Every one of you? I have given 1.5 spacing now to this document. Yes. Yes. Now paragraph spacing. So paragraph spacing, let me select the document. Let me select the document. Go for see it below line spacing. There is a paragraph. There is a paragraph spacing. You click on it, paragraph settings. So you can see here spacing. Go for spacing. So we are seeing about spacing. Spacing before and after it is available. So it is before it is 0 point and after it is 8 point. It is automatically actually select. While you are about to submit a one-page document, but you have more content in that, want to submit it in one page, what you can do? You can remove the paragraph spacing. So after paragraph, it is 8 point. Let me click the down arrow and I will make it 0 point. So now the paragraph spacing is only 0 to 0. Let me show again. Home, paragraph. Now before and after this spacing is only 0 point. Okay. Let me tell you, show you any other document so that you will understand. Yes, I will show from another document. So see, this document is not, this is a document. This document is not aligned properly. The font size is not good. The style of the font is not nice. So what I'll do everything in a single, immediately. See, Control A, I have given Control A. I'm going to home. I'm giving justified so that everything is justified. I go for the style, Times New Roman I am giving, and the size of this font is 8 or 9. I'm giving it as 12. It's very easy. Immediately we can do all the alignments. It is 12. So now that this document is very nice. So line spacing is some 2 spacing. Okay, 2 spacing is there. So see this introduction. Introduction goes to next page. Introduction goes to next page. Here introduction starts and goes to second page. But I want this introduction in a single page. In a single page. So I go for home. I click paragraph. First what I will do actually is I will go for line spacing and make it a single line space. So if it is single line spacing itself, it is enough. This is enough. Sometimes there will be more space in that line. So in that case, you can go for paragraph and you can make it this. Can you see this spacing here? Paragraph spacing. Can you see here? Paragraph. In paragraph, there is spacing. Before it is 0 point and after it is 8 point. Now Already the content has been selected. Let me remove this to 0. I'll give. So still the content has been reduced. Can you see the difference? I have given undo. So I have given undo. See, kindly check it. So this is one spacing. Line spacing is 1 here. Go for home. You can check it. If you want to check what is your line spacing also, what you can do, if already there is a document, you want to check also, what you can do, you can select this, go for this, click this, you can find it, what is the line spacing of your document. So it is already 1. So still you want to reduce your line. So what you have to do, go for paragraph, you can see spacing here. So before it is 0 point, no problem. After it is 8 point. So what you can do, you can reduce it and make it 0 point. So that the content is being reduced still to half a page or something. Otherwise, if you want to increase the also, you can increase the paragraph spacing. You can increase also. So before 12 point, after 12 point, you can have it. You can have it. Okay. This you can use only when your content is not aligned with the help of line spacing. Only we will go for paragraph spacing. Sometimes we will be in need to that paragraph spacing to reduce our content to a single page or the. In that case only we will be using paragraph spacing. Otherwise, line spacing is enough. I think it's clear for you about paragraph spacing and line spacing. Okay. Okay, our next content is page setup. Other things we can see tomorrow. Okay. Other things we can see tomorrow. We can see now page setup. So in page setup, what we are going to see is setting margins and setting page size, whether it is A4 or anything like that, and whether it is orientation. It is portrait or landscape and page numbering. This section will be saying this today, and tomorrow we will be saying the other things. Okay. So page setup. We are going to see about page setup. Is that okay? Shall we move on to page setup? With this, we can finish our today's program. Yes or no? Shall we move to page setup? Give yes. Yes, yes, yes. Quick. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So page setup. I'll show you two type of page setup here. See, I'll show you a book for you. I think my screen is shared. So can you guess? This is PDF document. I'll show you Word document. I'll show you Word document. Better to take my notes for PDF. Yes, can you guess the size of this size of this chapter? Can you guess? Any guesses? Quick, quick, quick. No, I'm not asking about the size. Sorry, what is that? Page setup. A4, A5, A3. No, 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 no. I'm asking about A5, A4, A3. Letter A4, A3. Okay, let it be. I'll show another document. I'll show another document. See this one. See this one. So can you find the difference between this file and this file? Okay. See this file, and again I'll be showing another file. Can you see the difference? So sorry. So this is actually A5. This is actually A5 size. Now the content you are seeing now, this is A5 size. Okay. And another content I am showing this. This is A4. This is A4. You are all students, staffs, etc., scholars. So you'll be seeing books with small size, A5 size, small book. I don't have now for you. Small book or A5 size. That is A5 size. A4 sheet. You have seen A4 sheet. You are taking printouts in A4 sheets to submit. Okay, that is A4 sheet. Whatever content you are taking printout from the computer center is A4 size. And while you are reading a book, small books in the library, small books will be available. That is A5 size. So how to create A4, A5 size? Mostly every one of you will be submitting A4 size one. So in that case, rarely we must know about A5 also. So go for home, go for layout, go for home layout. You can see size. See size. See, it is actually telling that this file is A4 size. Automatically it is telling this file is A4 size. Let me show my file. I'm going for home, layout, size. So it is showing A5. You can see the centimeter also. You can see the centimeter also. This is A5 size book. So you can create your document in A4 or A5 or any other size. Yes, okay. So how to do that? Okay, how to do that? It is very simple. It is very simple. I'm not getting any water. So let me take this file. So let me take this is A4 size file. This is A4 size. Nothing. You have to do. It is very simple. Go for layout. Go for size. Click A5. That's all. But you have to check the document because while converting, some extra gaps will be there. The titles will be moving to the front page. You can give enter and bring the titles to the next page, etc. This title need not be separately in this page. Give enter, it will go for the next page. Undo and go for 3 point. Give enter. You go to the next page. That's all. So you just convert your document to any kind of size. Go for home, go to layout, click the size. You go for again A4. This file will be again converted to A size. So size of the file is in the layout section. Legal. If you want to give legal, you can give legal. Okay. Sometimes you'll be preparing in legal documents. Go and give legal documents. Or executive, sometimes executive or letter. It is in the layout section. Go for home, you can see layout and you can do. Okay, this one is over. Again, next one is about margins. So, see, select your document. Select your document. Go for home. Go for again layout. You can see margins here. So you can see margins. Click on it. So it is showing you the template. What kind of margin do you want? So here you can see left, right. if it is a normal setup, top 2.54 centimeter, bottom 2.54 centimeter, left 2.54 centimeter, right 2.5 centimeter. If it is normal. Sometimes for narrow, you want narrow. Sometimes you want to submit in 3 pages and they'll be asking only to submit in 3 pages. In that case, you can go for narrow, where your top length is 2.2, 1.27, bottom 1.27, left 1.27, right 1. Again, moderate. So there are different sizes, margins for you. Whatever margin you want, you can select it and you can use it for your document. Okay. So normal and narrow. Mostly we will be using normal only. In some cases, while we are in need of more content to be given in a single page, you can go for narrow. So for narrow, top 1.27, all the 4 side it is 1.27. For normal it is 2.54 centimeter. Okay. What is the message in the chat box? Okay, thank you. And another thing, what is that we have to see now? Margins. Okay, margins over, page size over, orientation and page numbering. With this will be finishing. Okay, what is it? Orientation. So this all of you might be knowing it. Go for layout again. In layout, it is orientation. There is a name for orientation. Click on it. Now it is in the portrait. Now it is in the portrait. So I want this content in the landscape. Go and select it. I think I must select it. Home, layout, orientation, landscape. So it is available in the landscape. Okay, sometimes we need to, I'll go for undo and I'll explain it again. If you want your content in the layout, go for home, layout, orientation, landscape. In this case, you should do some alignment work again. You should drag this table until this. You must do some alignments. Okay, you must move this. Sorry, it's not working now. So now it is landscape. So, okay, is that okay? I'll go undo. Is that okay now? Landscape and portrait. All our documents are in the portrait only. We are taking printouts only in portrait. Okay, not in landscape. Very rarely we'll be taking it in the breadthwise. We are taking only the lengthwise, that is portrait. That is actually very nice to read. Portrait only we are using. Okay, rarely we'll be using. And okay, page number. Page numbering. So it is very easy. It is actually page number is available. Any other document? Okay. This PC E. Sorry, wait a minute, please. I'll take a D document. Is this there is a document here? I think it might have no. Oh, Sonia. I'll check and tell you tomorrow, Sonia. One page, it is available, I think. Let me tell you tomorrow and I'll check it and tell you again tomorrow. So see here, this is a document. You can see a document here. I'll give page numbers, okay? So it is also very easy. Many of you might be knowing this. Mohammed will be sharing the YouTube link to you. Okay, no worries. We'll be sharing YouTube. Okay, now I want to give page numbers. So go to home, insert. In insert, you can see page numbers. Can you see here? In insert, you have page number. Go to page numbers. You want to give your page number in the top of the page or bottom of the page or page margin or etc. etc. There are many options. Mostly we'll be giving in the top of the page or bottom of the page. Go click this bottom of the page. Mostly I prefer this end of the right side, right side of the paper. You give like this, the page number will be available. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see the page numbers. So go to home, go to insert, go to page number, select. You want your page number in right, left, top of the page, bottom of the page, or page margins, etc. You can go and explore this. You can format page numbers also. How to format these page numbers? What is formatting page numbers? Okay. So now I'll go for undo. And I'll give escape. See, this is selected and it is hiding now. This document is hidden. Let me give escape so that it will come to normal. Give escape. Give escape. It come to normal. Now you want to format your page number. That means I want, this is actually chapter 3 in our thesis. So it may be 101 page number, this document. So what we can do, go for home, insert, go for page number, bottom of the page. I prefer bottom of the page and right corner. And here you go and select format page numbers. In format page number, see here you have option start at. So here you can start at 101. Okay. Okay. See, you can see the document starting from 101. 101, 102, 103, escape, I'll give escape. So it comes to the original position. You can see 101, 102, 103, etc. That's all. Okay. In this way, you can insert page number. You can format page number. If you want to start from 200, 300, you can do it. Okay. So with this, let us finish our class today. Tomorrow will be continuing. Tomorrow we will complete this. Still there are some section to cover in Word document. Okay. After a few page. After a few page, that you have to have different documents only. Let me check tomorrow and tell you actually. Let me check and tell you tomorrow. How to start page number from a new page. Okay, I'll tell you tomorrow. Thank you all of you. Thank you so much. We'll be meeting tomorrow again. Thank you so much. Thank you. Rega, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Good night.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good night, all of you. I'll be sharing YouTube link by
Thank you, ma'am.
10 p.m. Okay. Thank you so much. Lakshmi, thank you. Thank you. Good night. Good night. Thank you, Lakshmi, again. Thank you.
Ma'am, that YouTube link share to everyone or
Let me share in the chat box now, which now immediately, or it is available. Wait a minute. I'll share in the chat box and I'll send it to your mail also. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Good night.
Thank you. Good night. Thank you. So it is available in the chat box. Today's link. Whoever is available can copy Thank you. Good night. Tomorrow we'll be meeting again. So,
Ma'am, can you
YouTube
send
link.
the mail, ma'am?
Yes,
Our
yes,
personal mail.
sure. Okay.
Thank
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, madam.
Thank you. Thank you.